In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Microsoft Teams group chat picture. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's begin. First, make sure you open the Microsoft Teams application on your desktop or on your Android device. It's important to have the latest version of the app to ensure you have all the features available for customization. Once you're in the app, take a look at the left-hand side of the main interface. You'll see various sections, but you want to click on the Chat section. This is where all your conversations are housed, including those group chats that you may want to personalize. Scroll through the list of conversations until you find the specific group chat you want to change. It helps if you recall the name of the chat, as this makes it easier to spot. Once you find the group chat, go ahead and click on it to open the conversation. At the top of the window, you'll notice the group chat avatar, which is essentially the current image associated with the chat. Click on that avatar. This will lead you to further options regarding the group chat. Next, look for the option that says Upload Picture. By selecting this option, you can start the process of changing the current image to something that reflects your group's personality or theme. This can be a fun way to bring a little more life into your conversations. Now, it's time to choose the photo you want to use. Browse through your computer files or your image gallery on your Android device to find the perfect image. Whether it's a group photo from a fun outing or something that represents your team's spirit, make sure it's something that everyone in the group will enjoy. Once you've found the image you'd like to upload, select it. After selecting your desired photo, don't forget to click on the Save button. This is essential as it finalizes the changes for all the members within the group chat. Without saving, your new picture will not be uploaded. Now that you've saved the image, go ahead and verify that the new picture appears at the top of the group chat window. This helps ensure that everyone can see the updated avatar and enjoy the fresh look of the chat. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the Microsoft Teams group chat picture. It's a simple process, but it can truly make your group conversations feel more personalized and engaging. Thank you for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more tips.